Hey y'all, Josh Chambers Portable Welding. I'm going to give you all a quick rundown on this bucket job we done. We're going to come back in a week or two once my schedule gets back in line and put more wear plates on the back side of the bucket. But for now, the customer really just wanted to get the sides fixed because they was caving in and they was losing material. So we replaced the sides and put a bunch of AR plate everywhere. The sides of AR 400, and then that same 5x10 sheet, we just cut out wear pucks and welded on the side of the plates. So here's the job. This is some of the old sides. You can see they added these big wear pucks on there, and I guess it did the job for what it was. You can see where the sideboards are lowered in, kicked in. They was just really thin. So we went back with AR 400 plate, and got a 3/8 AR 104 plate on the inside for the actual side plate. Then that same 5x10 sheet, we just cut out our wear strips and wear pads. We're going to add more wear bars on the back of the bucket. I'm gonna come back, like I mentioned, about 2 weeks once I get my schedule caught back up and start adding wear bars on the back. But these wear bars here really ain't that bad, to be honest with you. But it turned out pretty good. It was a lot of wind on this job, and we was fighting wind like crazy. I put up tarps or whatever I could to try to keep the wind off of me. But we're in the field working, and it's a rock bucket, so ain't no reason to try to go too crazy and worry about how good it looks. But all in all, it turned out really good. Triple pass on the side plates. We ran dual shield, old 45 wire on it. I've been using ESOB Extreme wire, 045 dual shield. When we do our wear bars on the back, we'll use 1/16 wire. I'm really liking this ESOB wire. I'm a big Hobart guy. I like my Hobart welding wire. The store was out one day when I went in there, and they had some ESOB, and I've been running it ever since, probably about 2 or 3 months. All in all, buckets turned out good. We're gonna head to the house. It's Saturday. I'm tired, I'm hungry, and I'm ready to see my wife and daughters. Let's get back to Tennessee.
Loud thunder, heavy rain, thin line between joy and pain. It's a long, strange trip, it's all insane. You ain't never gonna be the same. Living life through the night, thin line of a lightning strike. Sometimes the only light when the moon is tucked away. Pistons pumping, minds are racing. It's hard to sleep, man, when I'm shaking. Bad news surrounds me. It's always found me creeping up when things are good. Yeah, the dark days find a way. Loud thunder, heavy rain, thin line between joy and pain. It's a long, strange trip, it's all insane. You ain't never gonna be the same. Living life through